Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part 11. What is MultiCast Transformation in SSIS? In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is MultiCast Transformation in SSIS. In SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services, the MultiCast transformation is used to create multiple copies of the same data stream and send it to different outputs. Purpose of multicast transformation is the multicast transformation allows you to branch the data flow into two or more paths without changing the data. This is helpful when you need to load the same data into multiple destinations, example database, flat file and Excel, perform different operations or transformations on the same input data, test or audit data in parallel paths. Let us see these things practically in SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services. Here I am trying to create a new package. I'll try to rename it as MultiCast Transformation. Now to do the multicasting, I have to take this data flow task. In data flow task, we'll be having different sources, destinations and transformations. To load, to test the multicast stuff, I'll take Excel source, which is having 30 records. I've taken the Excel source component here and double click on I'm creating a connection for this one to a particular file. This is employee underscore src. This is an Excel file that I'm taking. And here it is having a sheet like this. If you preview the data, this is the data which is available. Employee ID, employee name, gender, job title, department, salary, hire date, location, manager ID and email. This data, this 30 records of data, we are going to multicast or copy into different destination. To do that, we have to take multicast transformation. Here we are having multicast transformation. We are taking it. We are just connecting from the source to multicast component. From here, what we are doing is we are going to copy the data into different destinations. First, I am taking OLDB destination, which I need to load these 30 records into SQL Server database. To do that, I have to establish a connection here. I am taking the connection already existing demo at GKey. Here I am trying to create a new table. Instead of creating the table in the database, I am just trying to create this table from the component for the convenience. Multicast _1. This would be the first output that I am trying to load. These are the different mappings. If you view the existing, the table has been created. There is no data now. Now we are trying to load the same copy to flat file destination. I am taking flat file destination. I am making another connection from the multicast, and I am trying to establish a connection for the multicast as a destination. I am taking delimited format. Here I am trying to browse a file. Here I am trying to create one flat file, that is multicast _. This would be the second file that we are loading from an Excel source, which is having 30 records. I am taking it, taking column names in the first data row and coming to the columns. There is no data. If you preview also, there is no data now. And if you go to the mappings also taken successfully. And third output would be Excel destination. I'm just trying to load the data from Excel to Excel. This is a third destination that I'm trying to take now. Here I'm trying to make another connection, new connection. For this, here I'm trying to create a new Excel file to load this data. Multicast _3. This will be the third destination I'm taking. And here I'm trying to create a new destination here, Excel destination. New sheet I'm going to create in this Excel. Now I'm taking Excel destination. Let us view the data. There is no data. Now Excel destination sheet has been created in multicast _3 Excel sheet, and mapping is also good. Now what we are trying to do is from an Excel source which is having 30 records, we are multicasting these records into different destinations. That is, first one would be SQL Server, second Flatfile, third is Excel destination. Let us try to execute this package by clicking on Start in SSIS environment. Yeah, 30 from the source 30 record got get into multicast, and from here 30 records have been inserted into different destinations. Now let us check these destinations. First I'll check first destination in the database. See, 30 records have got inserted in the first one, and coming to the next, here multicast, this is the like flat file that we have created with the headers, and these are the 30 records got inserted in another destination. And Excel destination also I'm trying to load. Here in Excel destination sheet we have loaded employee, gender. These are the 30 records we got inserted into Excel destination. This is how multicast is going to be used in real time. We can copy the data from the input into different outputs. You may take different destinations, whatever you want. I think you got some idea about multicast transformation. Thank you.
Connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.